In response to Byrnihat being identified as the most polluted city in the country, local MLA of Jirang constituency, Sustenance Sotun, chaired a meeting at IB Byrnihat to discuss on strategies to reduce the pollution. During the meeting, concerns were addressed and strategies were discussed to tackle the pressing pollution issue. Sotun has informed that during the meeting, he has discussed the matter seriously with the officers, especially Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, to take up the matter seriously to reduce the pollution following Byrnihat's unfortunate distinction as the most polluted place in the country.
Isos kiba penmi yang kena tangna kanu isos kiba penmi yang kita lihat lagi industries or lamlong industries so kita gue lagi contributor haban penjeklah ka ya kana ka area kejungi nangta kami kejing ya ajingmut kejing keren kaba ki kejing thang ya ki plastic kejing thang ya ki jeklah kene pada ko gue lagi ba contribute penmi ikan ikan terem jeklia ikalak melong nak kali bagi kali kibayaj ini ikalak melong kibap penmi ikan jeklia.
The third